see her elected, we were very privileged to be invited to collaborate with Donegal Changemakers in order to advance the aims of see her elected in Donegal. The kind of work that I'm doing on the ground in these counties is being replicated all around the world, because what Donegal Changemakers were able to do for me was to link the work that I'm doing right back up into those sustainable development goals around gender equality and political equality for women and girls. One of the highlights was unquestionably the opportunity to interview the wonderful Joyce Idopo, who's a town councillor in Uganda.
So when I dreamed it, I did it.
Wow.
And I get through.
So we heard the voices of women in Donegal loud and clear. So we now can take that on board as we plan the next stage of the See Her Elected support for women in rural Ireland.